you by thesis123.com. I learn and teach online.
Here's the next question, number 13. A power system with two generators is shown in the figure below. The system that consists of generators, buses and transmission lines is protected by 6 overcurrent relays R1 to R6. So we have here R1, R2, R3, R4, R5, R6. Assuming a mix of directional and non-directional relays at appropriate locations, the remote backup relays for R4 are. Okay, so we have to take R4 into consideration in the entire equation. The remote backup relays for R4 are. Okay, so if a fault takes place between 3 and 4 here, now let's say that a fault occurs here. So if a fault occurs between 3 and 4, then relays 3 and 4 must operate. Okay, but when, let's say for example, a relay fails, if any one of these two relay fails, then there are two currents that need to be in check. We have to keep in mind of the current I1 and I2. These two currents must be limited. I1 from the first generator and I2 from the second generator here. These are the two currents that we need to limit. So in order to limit I1, R1 must operate, and in order to limit the current I2, R6 must operate. It's the very first relay that needs to operate. So if any fault occurs and if a certain relay fails, according to this question, if R4 fails, then R1 and R6 must operate. So in this question, the remote backup relays for R4 are R1, which corresponds to the current I1, limiting current I1, and R6 limiting current I2. So that's R1 and R6, option D. I hope this has helped.
Thank you for watching this video. For future videos, please click here to subscribe YouTube channel. Visit our site thesis123.com for free student project or research ideas and online training. Follow us Facebook, Twitter, Google+ and Pinterest.